Good morning, church. Let me do that one more time, please. I know we are fewer in number, but let me try that one more time. Good morning, church.
Good morning.
Yes, that's the idea. Thank you so very much. And we have our health nugget today. And I don't know about you. Do you feel like you're busy? I thought I'd get yeses all around. And I had the opportunity yesterday to help a friend. It was a sit-down kind of a help. And it was about maybe almost 4 hours. And do you know, on a Friday afternoon, it's just nice to just kind of start relaxing early. And after helping this friend for about 4 hours, I felt so energized. Yeah, I wasn't falling asleep like I was extra tired on a Friday afternoon and wanting to crawl into bed and so on. So I want to share with you a little monologue of sorts about rest. So 21st century feels like one big race. Would you agree? That no one's quite sure that we ever signed up to be this busy. We've got smartphones. We've got smart homes. We've even got smart watches. But somehow we don't seem to have smart peace. We've turned busy into a badge of honor. I have done that. If you're not grinding, you're not growing. If you're not hustling, you're not winning. But family, let's be honest. Some of us are so busy surviving that we've forgotten how to actually live. We're running on caffeine and adrenaline, chasing the next notification like it's salvation. But the body doesn't lie. When your brain says, keep pushing, your cells are whispering, please stop. Science tells us that chronic hustle activates your stress response, the same fight or flight system designed for emergencies. So when we treat every deadline like a bear attack, cortisol keeps flooding our bloodstream. Your body can't heal like that. And especially when it thinks you're being chased. And here's the irony. The more we work for rest, the less rested we become. We're like your cell phone on 1% battery, trying to run 10 apps at the same time, and wondering why your phone freezes up. So have you ever noticed that when you do stop working, your mind keeps scrolling? You lie down, but your thoughts just keep punching the clock? What if real productivity begins where striving ends? You see, God baked rest into creation before he ever commanded it. He didn't rest because he was tired. He rested because he was finished. That means rest is not a reward. It is a part of the design of life. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all your work, but the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord your God. What's the translation for that? 1 day a week, God says, put the world on airplane mode. Not because he needs it, because we do. Hustle burns calories, rest builds character. Hustle drains your power. Rest restores your purpose. So sometimes the most spiritual thing you can do is to take a nap. Get some rest this week.